Hey, this is your boy Ray Mack. Today I want to show you how to do a simple but easy cheesy bacon omelet. All right, it's going to be a cheddar cheese bacon omelet. So I'm using 3 eggs and I'm going to whip these eggs up real good. Okay, this is all we're going to do. You don't have to add no milk or no other stuff you like to add to it. This is simple, y'all. I'm telling you, we're going to keep it basic. So we got our 3 eggs whipped up, and I want you to get you a non-stick good skillet. All right, so I got 1 tablespoon of butter and just about a good tablespoon of bacon grease. Bacon grease is going to give your eggs some flavor. I'm telling you, it's going to help it out. So now we're going to just move around the butter and get that pan coated real good, because we don't want no eggs sticking to our skillet. So we're going to take our eggs, put them in the skillet. Now I want you to just move your eggs around to coat the edges of that skillet. All right, you want all your edges to be coated up pretty well, because we want to make some of the best omelets in the whole wide world. Okay, I might be exaggerating a little bit, but they're going to be good, I'm telling you. So what I want you to do now is, with your spatula, just move your eggs inward and fill in the gaps. That's all you want to do, because you want to take some of that runny yolk that's on top, and you want the runny yolk to cook. So you want to gently move your eggs in and just let that yolk slide right on out. Don't worry about if you break the edges, because the yolk filling will fill those gaps up for you. Now, at the same time, I want you to go ahead and move your edges around that skillet. Bring your eggs in just a little bit, okay? And I'm telling you right now, y'all, these are going to be some of the best. All right, I know, but they're going to be good. Okay, right now we're going to go ahead and add our cheddar cheese to this. I got white cheddar, and I also have some regular cheddar cheese, and I'm putting that right now in the middle of the omelet. Some people like putting theirs on the left side or the right side. I just like putting mine straight down the middle. So I already took some bacon that I've had previously. If you go back and you look at the video where I did the string beans and I used the bacon bits, this is what I've done. I've cooked up some of these here bacon bits, because I got to use them up, y'all. I just can't let them sit in the fridge and not use them. And I'm using these bacon bits and putting them right in the middle on top of that cheese as well. And then the next thing I'm going to try to do, gently fold this here egg omelet together. All right, once I've got the egg omelet folded together, now what I'm going to do now is just gently move it into the middle. Allow that heat to go ahead and continue to cook the inside of this here egg. But I want to go ahead and immediately put some more cheddar cheese right on top of the omelet, along with that bacon, and allow that cheese to melt on top of these here eggs. We're ready, y'all. We're ready to eat these things up right now. Now, doesn't this egg omelet look so daggone good? It looks good, y'all. No joke. It really looks good. I didn't have to add no salt to this, because the bacon added its salt. I didn't have to add pepper to this. I'm telling you, it was packed with flavor. The only thing that I really needed to add outside of this was just the parsley, just to give it a little color. And I'm telling you, try this. What do you like in your egg omelet? Please comment below and tell me exactly the things that you put in your egg omelets. Do you put the green peppers, the jalapeno peppers, the onions, whatever it is? What do you put in your omelet? I would like to know. And I want you guys to do me a complete favor. Do me a favor if you can. That looks so good, y'all. I'm telling you right now, it does. Do me a favor. I want you to go and check out the Southern Style String Bean video if you haven't, along with the chicken and dumpling video if you haven't. And please, you got to check out this here fried pork chop video as well. It's all on my YouTube channel. Now I would like to thank you guys for watching this here video, and subscribe for more videos, and watch these videos as well. I want to say, if you are not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this here video. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.